It's a surprise from Grammy? Did she give you a Woody?
Oh, bring that pillow pet over.
Oh, you okay? Are they gonna meet?
Oh, it's Otis and Woody.
Mommy.
You want a twisty cookie, buddy?
Yeah.
Are you gonna share it with Woody?
Yeah.
Okay, go get Woody.
Take me with you, Ben. Take me with you.
Aw. Okay, Woody. Okay, Ben. You gonna go get a twisty cookie? All right. Let me see.
Here, I will get it.
Oh, Daddy's gonna get it. Does Woody want it or does Ben?
Is this for Woody?
Not for me.
You boys gonna share it?
You gonna share it with Woody? Oh, look, you did it.
You did it yourself, buddy. Good job. Oh, and it's perfect.
Oh, that's a cream on that. That's a cream on that.
Do you want this?
No, I want
more? Okay.
Oh, are you okay, Woody? Perfect. It's perfect.
That's not a cream.
That's it. Figure out how to shovel the whole thing in.
Ben, you take bites.
He says, I know. That's bite one. My other hand has bite two. You gonna put Woody over with Otis? Hi. Can you say thank you, Grammy? Say thank you, Grammy, for my Woody. Do you love him?
Here, let's take Woody. Well, let's put Woody back into it.
There.
Oh, you're dirty. You shouldn't touch Woody. How do you get so dirty from one cookie?
Talent.
I'm gonna have a Woody.
Okay. Let me wipe your
Oh,
hands.
let Daddy wash your hands. And then you can play with Woody.
Oh no, oh no.
Oh no, you're a mess. How do you get so dirty from one cookie?
It's all over your face. How'd that happen? Okay. Okay, Ben. Don't forget this guy.
Now I'm just gearing up to be all dirty again.
Don't worry, I still saved the napkin. Let me see your hand here.
Hi, Emmy. Hi, girl. Hi, Waggy.
Okay. You can get Woody.
Okay, go get Woody.